How to remove bad videos on Facebook feed. Hello everybody. If you're trying to control your feed, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up Facebook into your device, the application, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you need to head over to the profile at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it to open up a menu. Once you do, this menu appears on your screen. Now from here, you can head over to the gear icon at the top. And when you do, settings and privacy opens up. Now from the section, you need to scroll down and head over to preferences section, where you will be finding option that says content preferences on the very first. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you do, here you will be given some options here. So what you're going to do is click on the last option that says manage defaults. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on manage defaults, here you will be given low quality content, unoriginal content, and problematic sharing and sensitive content. So if you want to remove the bad videos, you can tap on each of them and tap on show list. After that, save and click on OK. After that, same for the second option as well for unoriginal content. Tap on it. After that, tap on show less. Tap on save again. Click on OK. And the last is sensitive content. Tap on it. After that, tap on show less. After that, tap on save. And click on OK. And that is it. So that is how you control or remove bad videos on Facebook feed. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.